Hi, bro. Good morning. Yeah. So
Good morning.
I'm marking as transformation has been completed. Okay, I'm going to DTP concept. Okay. We have DTPs are multiple types, Total, we have four types, like standard DTP, error DTP, direct access DTP, and real time DTP. So mostly 99% will use this one, bro. Only 1% will use this one. Okay. So remaining I didn't use till now. In my experience, also I didn't use till. So only I'm using only these two. Mostly I'm using these two DTPs. Total four DTPs like standard DTP and error DTP and direct text DTP, real time DTP. Whenever you create DTP, by default it will create standard DTP. Like we'll see practically. So what is the use of DTP? What is the use of DTP?
సారీ అన్న ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ అలా కంప్లీట్గా అంటే అయిపోయిందన్న ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ అది ఇంపార్టెంట్ అన్నారు కదా.
Transformation. That is transformation.
సారీ.
Yeah, it is completed, na? Transformation.
ఓకే,
All rule
ఇంపార్టెంట్
types
కదా,
we.
సో ఇంకేమన్నా ఓకే.
Yeah, it is already completed. Okay. Okay. What is the use of DTP? So the DTP is we will move the data. We will move the data within the BW from one place to another place. Like PSA to DSO. Okay, DSO to DSO. Okay, DSO to info key. Okay. So info cube to open hub, open hub destination. Okay. PSA to info object. So these places, if you want to process the data from PSA to DSO, DSO to DSO, DSO to info cube, then we will use DTP within the BW. Okay. In the data sphere, we have same option like the transformation flow. Transformation flow. That is also same. How our DTP is working here, in the same way transformation flow in the DSP, data flow. So what it will do, move the data from one local table to another local table. One local table to another local table. Same option, okay? I just similar. We have similar options. That's why I am telling you, okay? In the data space, transformation flow is also same. same like DTP. Okay. So now we'll see with practically, like no example, I'm trying to load customer data. Example. So we have customer. So here we have a flow as well, right? For transformation flow, we have this is the flow. Okay, customer text to info object, we have it. Okay, let me execute. Let me execute. This is the DTP, right? Customer text is the data source, and we are loading to zero customer. So this is master data. We are loading for text. So here you can see this is DTP, data transfer process. From where you are processing zero customer underscore text to zero customer, we are processing. So this is the source. This is the target. So this source information available in the extraction tab. See, you can see here source object, data source. Data source can be anything. InfoCube, multi-provider, anything can be as a source. Even Bex query also source. That is possible. Info object, info set, data store object, multi-provider, anything. But our scenario, data source is source. Okay, now you can see extraction mode as a full or delta. Do you know what is the meaning of full or delta?
Yes.
Full or delta.
Incomplete.
Okay. Full means complete historical data will come.
Oh,
Historical data will come. Historical data means what? When your organization is established, from that time to till date it will come. Okay. Delta corresponds only, yeah, recent created records. Recent created or modified record will come. Okay. That is it. So extraction mode is full or delta. So mostly in the real time, we will keep delta. In the real time, we'll keep only delta. So now here you can see option extraction. Data extraction from PSA or directly from the source. PSA means, so now we are into BW on HANA. So do you want to load directly from the PSA to be info object or directly from the source to info object? If I select
PSA
this
to
one,
source
directly data
to
will come from.
source
Sorry.
to
Huh?
no sir. In PSA to BW sir in the BW HANA. No?
Yes, yes. This is BW on HANA. So PSA is optional. If you want to use, you can use it. If you don't want to use, don't use. Okay, this option. And if you select a request selection, only retrieve last request. Then we'll get only last request will come.
then
Example,
extraction mode is delta, no? No need to keep.
extraction mode is full. Anything as per your wish, you can put anything.
Then request selection, the last data will come. Means if you want to enable the request selection,
Yeah,
then you
even you put, okay, even you put full also. Okay, it will bring only last request.
okay.
Even you put delta also. Anything it is possible, right? See, they give an option. If you want to use it. If you don't want to use, don't use.
Okay, okay.
Now, okay, now you can see. So what is this? Only last request. So how many requests are there in the source level? How many requests are there in the source level? We'll see. First execute. Now see. Okay, now it is coming. Delta load data is not failing. Okay. So I'm going to last request. Is completed. So I will run again. I will run again. I'm not getting any duplicate records. I'm not getting any duplicate record. So it is accepting it. It is accepting it. I'm loading multiple times. By default, master data, it will overwrite. By default, master data will overwrite full only. Okay. So like this, you can run it. Okay. So now you can see in the header also, these are the options are we have. How much time taken? What is the source? What is the target? This is DTP monitor, right? This is DTP monitor. This is very important. That is why we are discussing about only DTP. Okay, whenever sometimes this is green. Okay, fine. It is updated this many records. Sometimes it will get fail. Okay, failed request we need to load. Okay, we'll check other one as well. It is loading it. Some has to fail because duplicate record will come. I will try this one. Okay. Is there? Please go on mute, bro. Whenever you want to ask anything, just come on unmute, okay? Don't disturb others. Okay. So now I'm loading from PSA. I'm executing it. Okay. Now you can see I just wanted to fail. So I didn't select this option. Again, I will execute. I'm not facing duplicate data issue. Just accepting. Some scenarios it will fail, bro. That time what you do, go to update tab and select handle duplicate record key. When you are facing this issue, go to handle duplicate record issue because we are facing duplicate data record issue. I'm not facing for this. Let me check material only. Yesterday we faced right material. Go to here material. So this we have created yesterday. Let me select this. Okay. We already selected. See, let me remove this. Okay, let me activate. I will keep first one. Then go here. I'm executing. It will get fail because bad data is available. Okay, this is delta now. Okay, I need to run full update. Copy. I'm executing. So it is failing. So whenever the DTP load is failed, what you do? Expand failed one. Okay, expand the failed data packet one and go to expand only this one and then check it here. So while seeing, you will come to know this is duplicate data record came, right? Language key is initial. Language key is initial means blank. Duplicate data record. Okay, duplicate record issues came. Already this record is there. Again, we are trying to load. Okay, na? When you are facing duplicate data record, what you do? Go back. Go to update tab. Okay. This is the interview question as well. Select, activate it, go to execute and try. Okay, sorry. Already request is processing. Let it complete, or else will. Once green or red, then we can do something. Okay. It is failed, but it is not updated to target. Still, overall status should go red, at least green. Okay. So in this case, it will go red only. But we cannot load again. So in this case, I can't able to edit this as well. I cannot change this yellow to red as well. So go to here, better delete. Generally, while running, don't delete it. Okay. While running, don't delete in the real time because it is taking a lot of time. In the real time, don't delete it. But in the real time, what you do, make it as a red and delete it. Make it this request as a red and delete it.
Means only failed one can delete on, no?
Yeah, if it is request is get success, why you will delete? Tell me. If the
Only we
request
can
it got
able to delete
success,
failed one only.
In this scenario, in the live scenario, in a yellow, we can mark it as deleted. In case of without mark it as red, and we need to delete with impact and delta pointers, right?
correct. So mostly the text will be full update only. Mostly text data will be full update. See how data will be in the real time. Attributes, attributes. Few will be full update. Few will be full update. Okay, attributes. Few will be delta. Like material will have huge amount of data, they will make as a delta. And text, most of the time it will have full update text. Okay. So now transactional data. Transactional data. Always
Yes.
99% will be delta. So uh, if request is failed, if request is failed or in yellow status, if it is yellow status, we need to make it as a red. Then you can delete it. So in this case, it is not allowing, right?
Yes.
In this case, it is not allowing. We cannot make it as a red. So that is why we
Hmm.
are trying. See, that is the way it is taking long time. This.
Okay.
Fine, I will go to zero plant. I want to explain you all the options that is structured. So when you are facing any duplicate data record, then go to that option, okay? Handle duplicate records key. That is important in the real time. So now I'm going to exception tab again. So now you clear, right? This is source object. Which is our source, we'll come to know. This is mostly whatever we have here. This is only source. And exception mode delta are full. Okay, request selection is only selection last request. So what is this option? Okay, so now I will go and check it. Okay, so now this is the data source, right? This is the data source, plain text, right? Right click, go to manage. How many requests are there here? Many requests are there. You can see which. So here, if I do full update, all requests will come. So I wanted to process only 4399. I wanted to process only 4399. Is it possible in the real time? Yes, it is possible by using this option 4399, right? By using this option, it is possible. So now I'm selecting it. So go to here. Okay, I'm selecting only 4399. Okay, see now tick mark came. Earlier it was not there. Now execute it. Clear this option. That is showing in the Germany. That option is showing in the Germany. Can you see this option? It is showing in the German request selection only. Same request selection only. So it is showing in the German, not English. Okay, whatever you want to process the source request, that you can process it by using this option. Master data, where we having like no data source first level only. In the next level, it is not possible. DSO to DSO. It will not give option. Okay, check it. Example, I have a transactional data. What is this? Okay, so go to here, go to DTP. This we have it, right, yesterday. So this is first level. First level we have. In the next level, it is not possible. What is this? Okay, like, so I will make this as a source. Okay, create source. DSO, right? So example, I just creating, okay. It is matching. If it is not matching, also just for showing only I'm creating. Okay, this is target, right? So now see 1012 DSO1 creating. Are you getting this option, bro? Request selection. Are you getting? No, I'm not getting. Clear? Huh? Are you getting this option?
No, no,
No, right? Request selection, I'm not getting it because I'm
no.
loading DSO to DSO. Okay. Now we'll see option. Okay. So it is red now. Okay. Let me delete this option. Okay. So for master data, in the first level, I will get that option. Very first level, I will get this option. I'm getting this option in the first level. So even if you're keeping delta also, I'm not getting this option. Even if you put delta, then I'm not getting this option, request selection. If you go to master data, then full update, then I'm getting this option, request pre-selection. Okay, so if you want to load directly from the source, then it is possible. See here, I'm directly loading from the not PSA. I'm loading data from the source.
Source only.
Then you need to select this option. So this PSA concept is not there in the BW4 HANA. Right. So, okay. Now I'm getting fail. Why it is getting fail? So always, so DTP monitor level, check it. Why it is fail? Check it. See, clearly it is showing, right? Here only. 32470 duplicate records deleted. That is handy. Okay, now here you can see language key is initial. Language key is initial. in the text level, we have a language key field that is having blank value. That is the reason it is getting failed. So again, it will start. Okay, it will take some time. I cannot change it. Okay, this kind of issues will come. So even you need to select this log as well. Then you will come to know what is the reason. So maybe you will take this screenshot and send it me immediately. Then I will not get it. So you need to click on this option. Then only people can understand. Oh, okay, this DTP is failed due to this. These are the bad records coming. Okay, directly you take this screenshot and if you are sending to anyone, then they cannot understand, bro. First, we need to understand the issue, right? To suggest, before going to suggest you, okay, I need to understand, right? If we are sending like this, then I cannot understand. Okay, so now you need to do select this option and then you can take the screenshot and send it. So clearly, don't keep like this, then people can't understand. Okay, they will understand, but for safer side, what is the source, what is the target, we need to know. So like this, you can take the screenshot and send it to others. People can understand. Okay. So like this issues will come, then how you will. So now it is failed. So once I failed, I'm getting this DTP, this option. So once this is came as a red, then I can able to delete it. So if it is not in delete red color, then I'm not getting this option itself. So if I'm trying to do again from source, I will load from the source only directly. Okay. So now you can even I selected handle duplicate card key. Also, I'm getting this issue. So what you do? I'm selecting this option. Request green error stack. Request green means so for example, I'm loading 1,000 records. In the 1,000 records, 50 records are bad records. 950 is the valid records. See here, write error stack. 50 records will go to the error stack. And update valid records only. Okay. So if you want to create error DTP, then you need to click on error DTP. Okay, let's try. So in the DTP level, what is the option here? Processing mode. Serially in the background process. We need to select this process. By default, we need to select this option. If you select this option debugging, it will take you to the debugging. If you want to debug, then we will go to the debug option. So now we'll see. Again fail. So how many records are there in the error stack level? So see here, this time I'm getting warning. Okay, see here, how many records are there? Too many error records. Too many error records. Now you can go to here. What is one by one? You check it. Okay. So now check this one. So here we having language keys initial still. Language key initial for every record. So even you can take second record 23 having hash value. Hash value. You can see hash value. 23 after 23 we have a gap. We have a gap. Okay, these are bad records, bro. So now you can see in 1001 level. So finally, it is not updating any records. So we need to inform to the business. Okay, now you can go error stack. Now I can see 1000 records. See, these are all error records. Error stack. I'm into error stack now. First record select. What it is saying? 23 having language keys initial. Okay, select this option and do it. Okay. $23 and
Material number we can't change one, no?
material number that
change
is
no.
showing. Okay, that is showing blank value. So like this you need to do. Okay. So in the real time, so currently we are mounting the process chain. So we are facing like 1,000 records. Can you do manually 1,000 records?
No,
It
sir.
is tough to one by one.
No, one by one we cannot do. Okay, 1,000 records it will take only for this. What about other process chains? What about for other process chains? We have to monitor other process chains too.
Mm.
Okay, so maybe one other process would be there to process all the records at one time. Okay, maybe some program would be there. Okay, so now, so you clear, right? So for the DTP, we having extraction tab, update tab, execute tab. Extraction tab level, we having source data. So update data level, we having like no update level, we have target information, zero plant. See, now zero plant is there. Not only zero plant, whatever we are loading, that target would be there here. Okay, update tab level. So here having error handling, this is very important. These four options are very important. What is this first one? Cancel request. Do not track. Do not track records. No update. When you're selecting first option, the data load get failed. So why it is failed, we unable to see. Because that option is showing like cancel request. Cancel request means it will be in the red. Do not track record. Why it is failed, it will not tell you. Okay. When you are selecting second option, cancel request, track first incorrect record. It will tell you only one record. Why the data load fail due to this issue, like it will tell only one record. So now you saw right material issues. For material issues, it's showing like no multiple thousand materials, right? List given, right? So in the list, it will show only one record, first record. When you select third record, third option, request read, write error stack. It will write into the error stack level. Where is the error stack? We have error stack will come this option. Same like PSA. Okay. Error
Mm.
stack will come. Update valid records. Update only valid records will update to the target. And fourth option is request green. Write error stack. Whatever bad data will go into the error stack. Update valid records. Now you can select this option. So now, if you want to process the error DTP, I mean error stack level data, we need to create this option as well. So now you can see what is the DTP type. You can see what is the DTP type. Currently, I'm in error DTP. By default,
Mm.
standard DTP create, real-time DTP, and direct access DTP. Okay, currently I'm into here only. Okay, update it. So now error DTP simply we can create it. So go back. Now I'm into main DTP only. Now it is created, right? That is the way it is showing change. Earlier it was the create, right?
Oh, change. Mm.
Okay. So now you can select this option as well when you're facing. So now if you select this option, if data load fails, then it will not tell you why data load failed. Always DTP in should be in the active mode, then only we need to run it. So yellow means it is not active. Okay. So in the BW4 HANA, what is the T code to execute the DTP?
RSM, you can.
RSDTP. RSDTP. Okay. Now you can see here, this request came, this request came, this request came. The data load not get failed. Okay. Now you can see here, go to extraction. I will select only this option, bro. I will select only this option. Now we'll see. Once I select this option, it is go disable. Because I already selected this option last request. So that is the reason it is gone disable. Okay, what is the last request, bro? Now you can see here. What is the last request? Go to here, go to manage. And what is the request number? Last request number 11065, right? This is last one, right?
Yes, yes.
Recently loaded this data. Okay. Now you can go and execute. So we selected this option, right? 11065 has to come. Execute. Now go to here. Earlier, I'm getting like 292, 292, multiple packets came, right? Earlier. What is this, bro? Selection. In the DTP level, you can see how many requests came, bro. 11065 only came, even the full update. Okay, so go back again and select this option. Try to understand this option, bro. Okay.
We selected
If I
last
remove
one.
this option, many requests will come again. So I'm executing. Multiple packets will come, you see. See here, how many requests came selections level? 3825, 4397, 4399, 11057. Like this came, right? 5 requests came. Now you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 came. Okay. Now you get difference. If I select this option, I'm getting only latest request will come. So I will tell you one more thing. I will load one request. So instead of delta, you can go for this option as well. This is also working like delta, right? Sometimes the data source will not support. That time you can go for this option, right? So now what I'm doing it, execute this. Okay. Okay, I'm executing this. Okay, I'm getting request, right? Okay, now I got it. So now you can go here, right click data source, go to manage. Now I can see what is the symbol this one. Request not updated to target. Now you can see all the requests. How many requests are there? Earlier 5 only. Now I loaded. So this is not updated. All are like tick mark means already updated to the target. Clear, bro? Tick mark means already updated to the target.
Yes.
It is not updated. Request not updated in any target. Okay. Now what I am doing it 1156, right? I will execute. Now it will get only one request only. That latest only will come. What is the request, bro? 1156. 1156. 11566, right? Right click. Go to manage. 1156. This is latest one only, right? We are processing. So what is this meaning? Is it working like delta? Delta only, right? It is working like delta only.